Hello, it's John and welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for clicking on my channel, and today we're going to go for a walk in a wood, a beautiful wood, and there may be some food and coffee on the go during the walk. Very close to where I live is this wood, and you forget how nice it is. Why don't I come here more? Beautiful. And they're over there playing golf. Fantastic. So I thought I'd come for a walk in the wood because it is so cold. And if I get out on the fields near the river, it'll be absolutely freezing because there is just a slight breeze. So I thought I'd come out here and get lost in wood, basically. Now then, which way shall I go? You know, I'm gonna go that way. Yeah, some nice fresh air. I'm fed up of sitting in the house. We've had some shocking weather, and I'll be honest with you, I will be out on bike again, but not in 0 and 1 degrees. That's a bit too painful for me. I've done all that kind of stuff when I was younger, and I didn't mind it at all. But now, ooh. So I'd sooner go for a walk. Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful here. And if you watch me walking videos, you usually see me walking with a pair of hiking poles, and as you get older, you need all the help you can get, and just keeps you steady and tripping up and things like that. Anyway, my daughter, as you're probably aware, has asked me to do the Adrian's Wall walk with her, and I was thinking, do I want to take 2 hiking poles with me? And then, after watching YouTube, I saw this guy in America making a hiking pole. Oh, and there's one in England as well. And I will drop a link below to his channel, because he does the wild camping and hiking, and he makes, as a cottage industry, he says, hiking poles. So I've copied his ideas and other people's ideas, and I've made myself a hiking pole, and I'm gonna show you it. I'm using it now. It's having its road test, if I can say. And I'll just lean it on this tree, and there it is. So that's a picture. What I've done, a bit of pyrography, and it's my dog who died last year, bless him, our Ted, and So when I go for a walk now, I'll take our Ted for a walk like I always used to do. And I also learned how to do a bit of paracord binding. Not the neatest in the world, but it'll do for what I want this pole for. And there's little paw prints going up the pole, and then a brass end on it, and it's made out of willow, and I've just gone over it with some boiled linseed oil, and that's it. I think you may agree it's not a bad little job, is that? So of course our Grace has seen it, my daughter, and she wants one making, so that'll be on a video to come, I would imagine. Anyway, we'll carry on with my walk. Well, I've had a good little walk, and I'm just finding somewhere where I can have a sit down and a cuppa. And I've been chatting to somebody out with the dog, and they really like my hiking pole. Oh dear. Oh, it's lovely in here. Look at that. What a morning. At this side of the wood, I'm out of the wind, because it is a very biting cold wind, and so I just want to find somewhere, if I can possibly sit somewhere in the sun. The trails all over around here. It's great. It's a bit quieter here. I'm away from A1M. Well, I think X marks the spot here for making myself a brew. I'm right in the sun, beautiful. Well, that didn't take long at all. sausages in the pan. Well, this is the life. Well, all packed away now, leave no trace. And what a lovely little spot I found on the edge of the woods. Well, I'll walk back to the car now and go home, and I've really enjoyed it, and I hope you've enjoyed being along with me. And it's amazing how you can get out of the humdrum of life so near to home. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.